Okay, this is a tutorial designed to get you up to speed on how to help us classify the frames that are related to the vibrations of the steel pan. So I have this example here, this example frame, and the first question that's asked is how many antinode regions do you see? An antinode region is a region that you identify by looking for places on the image where there's concentric circles or concentric ellipses somewhere in the image. So in this one, I see one antinode region here, a faint one here, and two faint ones, one here and one here. So in total, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 antinode regions. So I'm going to click more than 3. And then I'm going to go to the next tool, or the next task. And the next task is to draw circles or ellipses around the antinode regions that you see. And so I'll just do these first. I'll click and drag my tool, and then I'm going to resize the ellipse to be around the outside of it. And in this image, there's one outside fringe, and then another bright fringe, and then another bright fringe. So there's 2 or 3, I'll just say 3 bright fringes here. Say OK. Another one here. Oops. Resize it and move the ellipse tool around. Again, 3 is the number I see. And then I'm going to count this one before I draw the ellipse around it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, say 7. I'm going to draw this, resize it, move it so it's centered. Click 7. Say OK. And this last one, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 maybe, maybe more than 10, but I'm going to say 10 for this one. A little hard to tell. Sometimes when they're too close to count or when they're too close together, I just say more than 10, and that's okay. I'm going to say 10 for this one. Say OK, and that's it. So I'll say done. And then if I want, I can talk about it, or if I was signed in, I could favorite this. But otherwise, I'm just going to click next. So the next one, this one has one here, maybe one here, and one here. So I'll say 3 for this one. And then next, and then draw a circle. Now this one clearly has more than 10. They're too close together to really count. So I'm going to say more than 10. Okay. Draw a circle around this one. Also, this one is way too close to count. Notice that if it goes outside the frame, that's okay. So more than 10. Too many to count. And then this one over here is just, there's like 1, maybe 2 bright frames, or 2 bright fringes. So I'd say 2 for this. Say OK. Say done. And that's it. That's all there is to classifying. Thank you for your help.